Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve another interesting geometric problem. In this question, we are given a circle, tangential to a horizontal line at its lowest point. A right-angled triangle is formed such that a vertical side of length 10 units, is perpendicular to the tangent line, and touches the circle at its upper end point. The hypotenuse, of length 5√5 units, connects the point of tangency, to the upper intersection point, on the circle. Our goal, is to find the radius of the circle. Before we proceed, please take a moment to hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me, and enables me to create more content. Thank you. Also, feel free to pause the video and give it a try, and tell us your answer in the comments section. To solve this problem, first, let's focus on the triangle. Let the top vertex on the circle be A. The point of tangency be B. The right-angled vertex on the line, be C. And let's take the center of the circle, as O. Using the Pythagorean theorem on triangle ABC, AB squared is equal to AC squared plus BC squared. AB is equal to 5√5. And AC is equal to 10. Substituting these values in the above expression, will give us 5√5 squared is equal to 10 squared plus BC squared. 5√5 squared is equal to 125. And 10 squared is equal to 100. Rearranging this, will give us BC squared is equal to 125 minus 100. 125 minus 100 is equal to 25. So, we are left with BC squared is equal to 25. Taking the square root of both sides, will give us BC is equal to 5. Now, let's draw a radius x, from O, to B. Next, let's drop a perpendicular line from the center O, to the vertical line AC. Let the point of intersection be M. Because the circle is tangent to the ground at point B, the radius OB is perpendicular to the tangent line. This creates a perfectly neat rectangle, OBCM. Because opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, the vertical segment, MC, is equal to the radius OB, which is x. Similarly, the horizontal distance OM is equal to the base BC, which is 5. Again, let's join AO with a straight line. This sets up a perfect little right-angled triangle at the top, triangle OMA. The hypotenuse OA is simply the radius of the circle, x. The base OM is 5. Now, take a close look at the top vertical segment, AM. Since the entire vertical length AC is 10, and the bottom portion MC is x, the remaining top segment AM must be exactly 10 minus x. Again, we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem one last time, on triangle OMA. From the Pythagorean theorem, OA squared is equal to AM squared plus OM squared. OA is equal to x. AM is equal to 10 minus x. And OM is equal to 5. Substituting these values in the above expression, will give us x squared is equal to 10 minus x squared plus 5 squared. Simplifying this, gives us x squared is equal to 100 minus 20x plus x squared plus 25. Rearranging this, will give us x squared minus x squared plus 20x is equal to 100 plus 25. X squared minus x squared is 0. And 100 plus 25 is 125. And we are left with 20x is equal to 125. Dividing through by 20. 20 will cancel out 20. And 125 divided by 20 simplifies perfectly to 25 over 4. And we are left with x is equal to 25 over 4, or 6.25. And that is our final answer. Hence, the radius of the circle is equal to 25 over 4, or 6.25 units. Let's take a moment and do a quick recap of exactly how we found that radius. We started by focusing on the large right-angled triangle, ABC. By using the Pythagorean theorem, with our known hypotenuse of 5 root 5, and a height of 10, we calculated that the base, BC, is exactly 5. From there, we dropped a perpendicular line from the center of the circle to the vertical height. This created a perfectly neat rectangle, OBCM. Because opposite sides of a rectangle are always equal, this told us two crucial things. First, the horizontal distance, OM, is equal to our newly found base of 5. And second, the lower vertical segment, MC, is equal to our unknown radius, which we called x. This allowed us to isolate the remaining top segment, AM, and express its height as 10 minus x. By drawing a straight line from the top vertex to the center of the circle, we formed a final right-angled triangle at the very top, OMA. In this triangle, the hypotenuse is simply the radius of the circle, x. We applied the Pythagorean theorem one last time to this top triangle, setting x squared equal to 10 minus x squared plus 5 squared. Once we expanded those terms, the x squared values cancelled out beautifully, leaving us with 20x equal to 125. Finally, dividing through by 20, simplified perfectly to 25 over 4, giving us our final answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.